I want to show you how to use PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap, just like every other DEX is, you can access it through the app section of your Trust wallet. PancakeSwap is similar to Uniswap, Moniswap, and other kinds of DEXs. But this time around, PancakeSwap uses BNB. It functions on the Binance Smart Chain. So, Uniswap uses Ethereum. On the other hand, PancakeSwap uses BNB. So it functions on the Binance Smart Chain. So in order to use your BNB, use your PancakeSwap, first thing first, you buy your BNB from Binance. When you buy BNB from Binance, before you send, make sure you activate the before you activate, make sure you change it from BEP2 to BEP20. You move it from BEP2 to BEP20, and then you come to your Trust wallet, and then you go to the sticker up here. You search for BEP. You search for wrapped BNB. With wrapped BNB, then you copy the address of wrapped BNB. You copy the address of wrapped BNB and you go to Binance. You withdraw it. Make sure that from your Binance, that it's not in B. Just like when you want to send Ethereum, you're sending to either ERC20 or TRC20 or whichever one. So you change it from BEP2 to BEP20 to the second one on BNB. Then, because if not, if you don't do that, you will lose your token. And then you copy this address here, you send it to BNB and withdraw from Binance. When you withdraw from Binance, after a period of time, it will appear here. Your BNB to appear in your smart chain, like it will appear in your smart chain. When it appears in your smart chain, you go to PancakeSwap, you open PancakeSwap, and then you trade whatever token you want to trade for the order. Like now you have BNB, your balance is showing your BNB. You go to select a token. Maybe you want to swap your smart chain BNB to other currencies like cake. Then you should put the amount you want to swap, and then you swap. When you swap, BNB, your charges, your fees, your transaction fees will be in BNB, and it's very infinitesimal. So I mean, like it's little. You will charge a little BNB, so you leave a little bit of your BNB for fees. So after you've swapped successfully, it will reflect in your balance. Like in this case now, I bought Burger Swap. It reflects in your balance. So hope this video was helpful. It's similar to how you use your Uniswap, but this time around it's PancakeSwap. Uniswap functions on Ethereum network, but PancakeSwap functions on Binance chain, Binance Smart Chain. So it automatically switches you from Ethereum network to Binance chain when you go to PancakeSwap. So it's that easy. Just make sure that the address you select is it's not the first one, not BEP2, but BEP20. Thank you. If you have any questions, I would address your questions.